Yes, ma'am.
You can hear me, okay. We're gonna go ahead and swear you in.
Ma'am. Again. Yes, please.
Raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give to the court should be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
May you lower your hand and state your name and spell it for the record.
Margaret Hamilton.
All right, thank you, Ms. Hamilton. Go ahead and tell me what it is you'd like for me to consider.
I'm at the court's mercy for my grandson because I don't understand what has really happened. And it's really, right now, it's really got my heart all confused. And I'm really upset. I've been crying ever since I left there, actually. And if there's any way that he could get, there could be something done for him being missing and lies being told and being sent on a journey looking for him, and there's no little William. You make up stories about him. You told lies about it. You had a new child. So I would like to know, why did you leave Charlotte, North Carolina when you had a place to live and come to Atlanta, Georgia and have nowhere to live? And that's where he ended up dying. It's hard on me right now. I do have a heart condition, and I've been dealing with this the best way I can. I've even had to call my psychiatrist and talk to them. I haven't really been able to sleep. I haven't been able to eat since everything has started all over again. And I'd just like to know what was the reason, just tell the truth about what really happened. You know, because life is, God give us life. It's not man to take it away. And she told so many lies about the thing that, what is there to believe? You know, I understand everybody got feelings. And somewhere along the line, in my heart, she lost her feelings. My grandson is gone. And I'll never get to see him grow up and be a man. It will be 32 years this year. I mean, I just like somebody to make me understand exactly what I'm supposed to do now that my child is gone and we know he's gone, and his mother still won't accept the fact that it was her fault. You leave a place where you have everything going for you and go to Atlanta, Georgia, where you know nobody, and you lied and said his grandparents was there, and I am the grandparent, and I've never been there until I came to the court. So I'm stuck between a rock and a hard place right now. Hello?
I understand. I hope you get some help for the residual issues that you are left with as a result of all this.
Yes.
But thank you for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
Of course.
But it's so hard, though. I mean, since I've been home, I have not been able to eat. I have not been able to sleep. It's been hard on me. I know I'll never get to see him again. But it hurts so bad. It hurts so bad when she could have just left. Instead of telling me I can't see him, it just should have left him with me. That's all you had to do. And if you felt like it was something you needed to do for yourself in your life, all you had to do is just go ahead. I had that. I could have handled every bit of it. If I could take 6 at a time, I know one wouldn't have hurt me at all.
All right. Thank you so much. All right. Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else from the defense?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Black, Well, I empathize with the fact that you were a teenage mother in some very, very difficult circumstances. Those circumstances don't in any way justify what you did. So I've been thinking about this, obviously, all last week and this week. And I want to come up with a sentence that fits the facts as it was relayed during the trial. As a mother, I cannot fathom how you could leave your child in the woods to rot. There were so many other options, and it did not have to end this way. But your choices in leaving William's body in the woods, never reporting him missing, and lying about his existence for over 20 years are not only appalling, but also resulted in the complete destruction of any evidence that could have determined what happened. And so we're all left here still with no answers. You are the only one that really knows what happened, and no one else will ever know. So, given everything that I have heard, I am going to sentence you to 10 years to serve. You will get credit for the 549 days you've already served. And I believe that sentence, it is the most I can do under the law, and I do think that it fits the horrible facts of this case. So that's the sentence, and we'll need y'all to sign off on it after it's printed out. And you're going to have to live with this every day for the rest of your life. All right. Anything else?
Just the advisement of her appeal that
Oh, okay. You have a right, to file an appeal. You have 30 days to file a motion for new trial, and how many years to file a habeas? 4 years to file a habeas. Talk to Mr. Bozarth and Mr. Welty about that, and I'll tell you, your attorneys did a really good job for you. They really did, and I can tell how much they care, and I'm sure they'll help you with any appeal if you decide that you want to go down that route. Anything else I need to put on the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right. To the family of William, I hope you all get some closure from this, albeit you don't really have all the answers. But hopefully you'll get some closure and everyone will be able to move on. So, good luck to everybody. All right. I still have a couple other matters on the morning calendar. Any updated announcements? Mr. Donaldson?
Yes, Judge, and I'll ask Mr. Walton to confirm this, but we were speaking about Mr. Luce, who I believe is position